One client burned 27 million building the wrong technology solution over 3 years. We tried to stop it 3 separate times. 3 thoroughly researched presentations. Focus was on 20% problem, 80% solution. A complete rollout plan. Everything was designed to stop the bleeding and redirect the product before it was too late. We failed. The initiative continued, and a few years later, it was quietly swept under the rug. And one thing has always puzzled me. If an engineering firm has the talent to build a product, why do so few have the courage to tell the client they shouldn't? I've heard vendors push back on anything like technology. This architecture won't scale. This framework isn't the right choice. This integration will become expensive, all that stuff. That's easy. What I almost never hear is this: I don't think this product should exist. I think you are solving the wrong problem. I believe this feature will hurt adoption. I think your competitors are about to make this irrelevant. That's a much harder conversation because now you're no longer discussing code. You're discussing the client's business. And that's exactly where the biggest value usually is. The difference between an A company and a B company isn't engineering quality, it's standards. A B company builds what the client asks for. An A company builds what the client actually needs. And sometimes those are the same thing, but sometimes they're completely opposite. The best consulting engagements I've ever been part of started with disagreement. Not because we wanted to win an argument or something, but because we cared more about the client's outcomes than about getting the contract. And anyone can write code. Very few are willing to tell a client they're building the wrong thing. That's what separates builders from partners. But sometimes you're an A company that is forced to act like a B one. That's important. And what's important is to admit that it happened and learn from it. And what's even more important is to always hold yourself to standards that are higher than your client's expectations.